Today I am going to draw a tree with multiple colors. Um, First I will make shape of tree with the help of pencil to set boundaries. Here you can see the circles. These circles are marked to use different colors. First of all I mixed purple color in water and put it in the shape of circle. Then I mixed green color in water and uh, paste this color in next two circles. Then I mixed red color in water and use here. Then I mix mm, pink color, shocking pink color in water and pasted here. Then again I used purple color and put in mm, next circle. Then I picked acrylic paint color black to draw stem of the tree. um, Stem of the tree is filled with black color. uh, After making stem of the tree I made um, the I connected the um, I connected the different colors of the tree with the stem. Here you can see how beautifully tree is drawn. Then I make made um, little leaves on the tree to make it more precise and accurate shape. You can use this drawing to teach your children, and this drawing can be helpful for any age group. Whenever you are worried, you can draw to relax himself. For more interesting and colorful videos, please like, subscribe, and share my channel, as I need much support of all of you. Thank you for watching. Stay connected to watch more videos. Allah Hafiz. Dun, 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 dun.